Appliance Guy here. We got in a pretty Whirlpool cabrio. It's gray, silver, gunmetal gray. It's supposed to be noisy, but I don't hear any noise in the bearing. Listen to this bearing. That's what I look for when I'm looking for bad bearings. That's a bearing going out. But this is a stator driven unit, so this is the one that has the slider that goes up and down. So anytime I'm getting a noise, a lot of times I'll look at that. But we need to check the codes first, see if there's any codes. Just hit 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then it should all flash, and then your first code should come up if there is one saved. No code. No code. Okay. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe to the channel. We fixed this stuff today. Let's get to 1,000. We're getting close. Hit the soil level and that brings up the test mode. With no lights you can test the lock, toggle it on and off. Next I'll toggle up to 8. 8 is the drain pump, and we need to listen and see if it makes any noise. I hear it now. What the? What the what? Like a whistle. Lean this baby over and see what the heck is going on here. That's pretty normal wobble. Huh. Let's see. Torx T30. Beautiful. Well, this looks great. Huh. Usually these sliders make a scraping noise. I've never heard a squeal or a whistle like that, but we're gonna pull it down and check it. These split rings can be a pain, but you just gotta pry them off of there. Good news is the new ones come with a new split ring, spring, and a new screw to mount the rotator back. There's just the slightest bit of wear on this magnet and a split. I mean, it's not a magnet, it's just a sleeve. That joker's split. Let's try one. You're not supposed to be split like that. Alright, sorry I got a weird shot of this, but you just slip it up in there, and if you grab a piece of that split ring and stick it into the groove of the shaft and just work it around with your flathead, it'll eventually work its way into that groove. But they are a little sharp, so be careful.
in that little groove. Oh, we got a new one. A fresh Loctite. Come on.
Let's see if we get a noise now. All right, let's run a quick spin by itself. See if we get that weird whistle again. Usually when these things are 100% bad, you'll get an F7 code or a basket re-engagement failure, something like that. But this one was actually working. So no codes. Tricky. All right, so this one's a little different. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. No codes. We'll do a few tests. Hit the soil level, and 000 is the lock. Toggle lid lock. You can do the hot and cold valve. That's cold. That's hot. That pump one though. Yeah, pump's good. Sounds good anyway. And you can go through and run the low spin, agitate, all of it. Good stuff. Well, first time I've had a whistle out of one of these sliders. I've gotten scrapes and weird noises that sound like bearings, but that was a very high-pitched whistle sound. So, and look, it's just barely split. Interesting. If that helped any, please leave me a like and subscribe to the channel. On our way to 1,000. Have a great day.